Lee Summit Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 909 Southwest Oldham Parkway, Lee Summit, Missouri on November 5, 2020 at 5:48 p.m. Abducted was True Y. Armstead Harrison, female, age 1. Suspect vehicle is a black 2010 Dodge Journey bearing Missouri registration TG4J4J. Vehicle/suspect last seen traveling WB Highway 350. Suspect is a black, male, last seen all black clothing and a white bandana. Victim True Y. Armstead Harrison has sandy brown hair, last seen wearing a pink coat, black and purple pants, and black shoes. Victim has hair up in a bun. Vehicle was last known to be in the area of the Hy-Vee gas station off of Maple and Highway 350 in Raytown. Suspect stole the vehicle with the child in the rear of the vehicle. There was a white Ford Edge with Missouri registration, JE7F6T, driven by a white female with blonde hair with red streaks was seen in the area at the time of theft. If you see the vehicle or have any information, please contact your local police department or the Lee Summit Police Department at 816-969-7390 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.